So what we're going to do, we're going to can use a peeler and remove the skin from the potato, or you can just use a knife. Alright, so this is what I'm doing at the moment. I'm just using my knife because I cannot find my peeler. Once you do that, you're going to slice down the potato and put it straight inside of the water. That's the next thing, that's how we're going to do them. Just remove the skin from the potato. Very easy. But if you have a knife, it is a little bit better. Peeler. Straight inside of the water. And this recipe is going to be an easy one. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. I'm just going to boil it off about 10 minutes. And that's it. You guys are going to love this one. Nice. So basically, that's it. Just finished cut them up. Now I'm going to cook them off for about 20 minutes in the oven. All I have to do, put a little bit of salt, and then we're just gonna cook it off to 20 minutes. After we cook it off, I will show you exactly what's going to happen next. Stay tuned. Nice. So once it boils up like this, basically you want to pour off the water because you don't want them to cook too soft like you're making mashed potato. So I'm going to pour them off now. Lovely. Nice. So what I'm going to do is pour the potato on that greaseproof paper. It's a little bit too much potato, but for one tray. Normally I would be using 2 trays, but there's no need for me to use 2 trays today. I'll just use 1 tray. Some salt is a must, and some pepper. Some mixed herb. And some spray oil. So we're going to roast this off in the oven for about roughly 40 minutes, the least, to get that perfect color. Alright, enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely, guys. So this is a crispy sliced potato right here. Look at that, just finished, done and dusted. And this can be served with whatever you like to serve it with. Potato, you can serve with, you know what I mean, chicken wings, barbecue chicken. Really lovely, simple and nice and delicious. So I just did this to show you guys what you guys can do at home for your family, and that is very healthy. There's no oil on it, it's just spray oil, herb and pepper and salt. Good to go. Enjoy the recipe, and I will see you next time with more recipe like this from Chef Rico and the team. Bye bye.
I was born and grew up in Jamaica. I grew up with my grandma and my dad and my mom, and they're the one who inspired me to be a chef. And now I serve a purpose in this world. The purpose is for me to share the beautiful Caribbean dishes to the world.